Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today's video is about how to make a vision book. It is very easy to make your vision book, and by making this it helps us to manifest our wish much faster. It also helps us in our visualization process. Even kids can make a vision book for themselves and parents can guide them. Okay, so for this you will take a book which is easily available to you. Okay, and cover it with a paper of any color, any design. You can make it look attractive as per your choice. If you want to keep it simple, you can keep it simple. Okay, next, in this book you can dedicate each page for different topics. It is completely your choice which topic you select, because it is your vision and your dreams. I will give you few examples. First, health. For health, you can stick pictures related to yoga, gym, meditation. You can write affirmations also. If you want to lose weight or you want to increase your weight, you can write, I am at my ideal weight, I am healthy and happy. Okay, and if you have any health issue, you can write phrases like, my heartbeat is normal, my BP and diabetes is in control. So you can write about it. Next, you can select is about your career or job or business, or if you are a YouTube creator or you are on any social media platform, you can dedicate your page to it. In career, whatever career you want, you can stick pictures related to it. You can also write about what position you want to be in your company, which company you want to work. Okay, you can also write about your salary, what amount of salary you want, what profit you want for your business. You can write about it in affirmation form. Okay, like, my business is successfully growing, I am happy with my promotion, my YouTube channel is growing successfully. You can also stick pictures related to it, which is easily available on the internet. You can download it. Okay, next you can select this about your marriage, your relationship, your family. If you want to get married, then stick pictures related to all the rituals that is followed during marriage as per your religion. Okay, you can write sentences. If you do not want to stick picture or pictures are not available, you can write short affirmations. You can stick picture of a happy family picture of yours if you have. Okay, you can write, I have a happy family, I am happily married, I am thankful for having a loving family. Okay, next you can select this for your wishes, your dreams. Like, if you want to visit a particular place for vacation, right? So you can select those countries or those places pictures and stick in the book, and beside that picture you can write short phrases like, I enjoyed my trip to so and so place. Okay, if you have a dream to buy a house, a laptop or anything, car, whatever your wish is, any branded product, if you can get the picture of that, stick that picture of that particular company product. What kind of house you wish to buy, stick a picture about it and write, you are thankful for that particular thing. Always be thankful to the universe. Even if you have not achieved it, or even if you have not received that thing, be thankful for it, because you are sending a message to the universe that you are receiving it. Okay, and every week or every day you can go through this vision book whenever you get time, and give your energy to it and visualize the wishes and dreams that you have written in it. Okay, as you go through the pages, you can also make a vision board if you are comfortable displaying it on your wall. In vision board, you have less space to dedicate for each topic, while in a vision book, you can dedicate more space to it and you can keep on adding more and more topics as days pass. Okay, and again I will say, be thankful for your wishes and dreams, whatever you have written in it. And if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.